Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can delete all of your messages on Facebook Messenger all at once. So, even though Facebook doesn't exactly have a mass message delete feature, we can still have our way around this, right? So, for example, here if I chat with someone, I'm going to chat with someone called this, Monauta Vanilla, and then on here, I'm going to just do random chats like this and then like this, right? And then I want to delete it, right? Because it's embarrassing. No, I don't want anyone seeing this. Instead of going to the chat and then deleting the messages like this one by one, so you can see if I just want to remove this and send for everyone, like that, it'll be pretty long and it'll take a while. So instead, we're gonna mass delete this entire conversation. So we're gonna go to back here, and then you want to tap on it and then hold, and then you want to click on delete. On delete, you can see delete this entire conversation. Just click on delete, and then that's it. You're done. So if you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.